I'm in time for once. So, peeps, last time we showed this matrix here. Does it work? No. Hello. How do I turn this on? This is not. Here we go. All right, this one. I forgot I forgot how to work with that. People were able to send data to the matrix, 4-bit data. Of course, we got the first image. You can imagine what people send. I changed the profile. That's too dark here. Let's make it brighter. Let me turn that on. I hope that. Let me turn that on. I will greet everyone in a second. What sticker? What's NVMe only? Yeah. What? Someone asked something? Okay. Wait, I have to log in first. How do I log in? It's a Windows PC. Oh, yeah. Oh, NVMe only. You're right. Oh yeah, that's what people send. Yeah. So I have some news before we continue. Here's keyboard. I found the keyboard so I can log in. And we have VNC viewer, and then okay. New profile photo. It's still loading? Yes. I think it's still loading. Here we go. It's booting. I hope I don't short this. I need to remove the connectors from the... Is there a view? Yeah. Ha! Okay, this seems to be the view where we place the matrix. The mouse is dragging this whole thing. Okay, here we go. Windows. Give me a break. Yeah, I don't want to install. How did we run it? Did we run it like that? Let me switch to this view before I... No, not download history. Before I dox myself. Oh, come on! What's going on? Hey, Angry Tomato! And Johnny, thank you for the sub. I will be. Where is my? Oh no. What kind of? Oh wait, I think I know. Ah, peeps. Stop. Close window. History. Ah, Google Drive is loading. All right, let's greet the people while the PC is still booting. Hey Christian, Sonic, Angry Tomato, Johnny, Adam, Brian, Jordy, Atom, Wagon, Dutch, and some lurkers. You're all in the bin. Here we go. Why am I so sore today? It's strange. Okay, that's the uploader. That's the uploader, but there must be something else. Recent or no? Huh? Recent tabs. New tab. Pixel draw tool. That is. Connect to. Wait. Let's see if. Connect. Oh wait. Connect WebSocket. Disconnect. Oh. Select serial port. Oh. Send frame. Okay. Okay. No, I didn't break it. I need to turn down. I ordered new resistors, but this you convinced me to use resistor networks, and now I need to reorder smaller ones, and they're not widely available. Like I have like a ton of resistor values here, but apparently, here we go. You have to live with my face being pale today on camera. Wait, I can maybe put this light over here. Yeah, this one turns off. I think the battery is dead. Like, hello. oh my. Yeah, I need like a headlamp that points at my face, just away from the matrix. Here we go. Maybe not as I'm blinded by the lights. Let me turn down. Oh no, I changed the temperature. I need to keep it at 5500, which actually, can you make animations? You will be able to do so, because we will just use sorry, I bumped the camera tripod. How do you like to do the animations? Oh, I wanted to brag. Today, something new arrived this year. Let me get it closer to the camera. Can you see that? Scrolling text. Do you see that? Yes. It's the new cluster. This is like a quarter of the size of the old one, and it uses M.2. It's not native M.2 footprint, but it uses the sockets because they're dense and I don't need extra connectors. You know how much these cost me? I ordered M.2 1 kilobyte RAM. Yeah, that's no, it's 6. Wait. Oh yes, it is like times 16. So that's 16 MCUs. And it was expensive because apparently JC charged me extra for every for the tiny vias, the density and extra testing and whatnot. I don't even know if they work. So they arrived today in this format. So I need to remove them from the frame by myself without breaking them. So that's a delicate work. And I ordered 20 pieces, which cost me in total it was I think $260, and then another $80 for additional testing after I ordered. So it's like for one of those, it's I would say around, with customs and everything, around $20 for a stamp size thingy that it's not capable of doing anything. You can just plug it in anywhere. Not $5 offer then. No. I bet like you have the extra engineering costs and so on. If I would order 100, it will be probably way cheaper per piece, because that's a one-time cost that you do per order, engineering cost. Oh yes, I could, but I'm worried that I would break things actually. For the first few pieces, like the first 20, I really don't want to take risks. Oh, this light is blinding me. Oh yeah, they sponsored the majority of that order. Like 250 they paid, but then it would cost me it would take too much time to get an answer, another coupon or whatever, take the charge. The communication is quite slow because there's several hours time difference, and when I'm active, they're basically sleeping, and vice versa. So they paid like $250 of the complete order, and I paid like another 100 because of the DDP, you can't go down to 0. VCAT, yes, I wouldn't trust VCAT because VCAT has a higher tolerance, and I have only 0.2 millimeters from the It's extended, so I think it counts like a computer or electronics hardware that is exempted from the tariffs right now. At least from the extended, I will turn that off. That really blinds me all the time. My eyes hurt. All right. Hey, Foo. So, but this isn't only like this cluster doesn't do anything on its own, because it's like it has only like a bus, and that's it. And let me check that. I will share maybe what I did. So what I did additionally to that, this is what I designed, I think last week, this is what I designed Monday including Monday night to Tuesday. It took me like, I think it took me like 16 hours to complete that design. There is the new reset circuit here. I hope it works. And there is a bus. Yeah, that shouldn't. I don't know. I would. It won't be assembled. I will assemble it myself. I don't know if I want really to use 1K resistors to pull up the bus. That will drain some current. It will be infrared LEDs. And it only like one of this format of 8 centimeters only fits 10 of these clusters here. So the mega cluster supercomputer will only have 160 cores. I'm sorry, it is what it is. And I couldn't resist to put in some extra features. Yeah. So what? It is a mega cluster, not only a super cluster. This is the super cluster. The mega cluster will have like volumetric. Imagine that one. What? And I dropped it. I hope I don't roll with my, because I have only 20 of those. I don't want to. All right, here. So imagine this one, and it has like the 10 of those cards. Like the whole, yeah, the whole front. I hope it's the front. Yes. Imagine I did it wrong and it's upside down or something, and my cards are sticking downwards. That would be strange. No. Usually they have like 2 IOs, but I only used one because this IO has like the LED, like IO 0 of each of the MCUs on the supercluster card are connected to LEDs, and I just thought, we don't have space on this base cluster base to fit like IOs or whatever. So I left them disconnected, and the other IO will be just used as a clock maybe. Does it run Doom? Yeah, you can run Doom with that. Imagine we could try to let run Doom on it and let each of the cores run one, like calculate one column of the graphics. But it's difficult because they have no RAM whatsoever. So what do you do on that? I think you could run ray tracing and then have like each core render 1 pixel. Now you have yeah, microcontroller. Yeah, basically that. But not on Doom. We could like run basically distributed calculation for fractals and stuff like that. Fractals would be easy actually. It doesn't have a floating point unit though. So maybe Game of Life. They can interact. I mean, they're all connected to one bus here, which apparently has an address and byte, but it's basically 16-bit bus. Whatever, however, fractint. Yeah, we can. Oh, I loved fractint. I used it like for forever. It's supported like the VESA modes of my graphics card. So I rendered. You could even like do like elevated fractals, like pseudo 2.5D renderings with FractInt. That was cool. All right, yeah. So I just connected. Oh yeah, I gave each of the card a separate ground. So special thing. The old cluster wouldn't be able to know the physical location of an MCU and its LED in the whole system. And this changed now because I gave each of the cards, so we have each GPIO is connected to each GPIO of all the cards are connected to PC 0 to 15. We can use it as a clock to clock them all at once, or clock individual single, like one of the 16 MCUs on each of the. Hey, Cosine, thanks for the sub. So clock one at a time or whatever on all the cards at once. What I think I will try to do is then just flip all the bits of register C, so we can time them at the same time, or we can stagger them, because the main CPU, which is the bigger MCU, can run faster than the actual ones. So we could stagger the communication on the bus or whatever, and do it with that. I didn't even think it through. The only thing I wanted to do, each of the card on its own has a separate ground, which I use like the low side driver. It could connect up to 16, but this isn't fully populated, so it would be able to. I hope we don't have like a leakage on the GPIOs or whatever with the ground that would power them somehow in some way. We will find out. Thankfully, it probably won't be necessary to redesign and to reorder those cards, just the main board, which has the connectors, which are hard to acquire, unfortunately. There are not many vertical connectors out there. Nah, it's not like chip select. It's like chip enable is the ground of each card is like a chip enable, I would say, and then yeah, you can basically use that as chip select on each card, but you wouldn't like power down a card to just address one single chip, unless in the beginning when you start up, you would power each individual card, power it up. It has like an initialization sequence where you trigger each of the MCUs on the newly powered up card, and it would identify itself or would get like a position assigned in the whole array. So you could actually run this like a cube matrix, because it's like 4 by 4 by 10 pixels in the end, so it's like a volumetric. You can't like see that, you probably just need like one angle to see all the LEDs, but it's shallow angle, but yeah, it still would be possible like to run it as a cube matrix if we can have like an initialization sequence. And this is basically, I mean, the idea came quite late to have like a PC connected to all the IOs of all the cards. And yeah, it was overbearing trying to put that on the 4 layers of the card. And I can show the outcome of that. Because I don't want it to have the same density it was hard to manufacture. 2 little pinklets. What? Johnny, didn't you see the pinklets before? They're here. Here's the pinklet. All right, so look at this. Like, this is the I ordered them at Isla because Isla is faster with the PCBs. I could like pay extra and extra and extra at JLC to get them manufactured quicker, but there was like every single time I ordered something except for this blade. This blade was the only one where they didn't hold the production because they had like a question and like one hole was too close and they suggested to make the hole smaller or whatever. So that happened with JLC at some point, and I didn't want any delays because this project with them has to go live this month. I have like a sponsored deal that needs to go live in April, and April is only like 1.5 weeks. No, 2 weeks from now. So quite tight schedule. Exactly, yeah. The 30th is in 2 weeks, and we have Easter, so DHL doesn't ship on Easter and whatnot. And I need like to be able to assemble, debug, film, and edit everything. So I wanted to design this to be easily manufacturable by Isla. Isla has like the lowest drill size for the vias. I used that here. Fun fact, this is also the same. I thought JLC can do smaller drills, but it will cost you a lot more. You just need to pay extra. You can get everything at JLC, but you have to like pay an up mark. And Isla just says, okay, this is the maximum we can do. And I just took the dimensions and designed it for Isla. And you can see it's very dense. This is how I started to place everything. This is how I started. Everything is like neatly spaced apart, so we have like the actual minimal distance between the trays and the pads and everything. That fit nicely. And then we have the MCU on the back of that thing. And then here, the serial chip. Look at the chaos. I used the shove tool, just placing the vias and hoping it will like not destroy everything. So yeah, it's quite quite dense here. And at some point on Monday, it was like 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. So while I was thinking, do I stream or not? And I really wanted to submit the order before Tuesday morning, so the manufacturing would start before Easter. And now it took me like the first DRC check that I started. Not everything was connected. The first DRC check that I started crashed because it tried to add like 250 arrows or something. KiCad just crashed. And the second DRC check, it was still like, I thought, okay, I have now connected the majority. I removed some of the errors. It was still like 75 DRC rule violations. And one single rule violation, it's a problem with your PC. I have like 128 gigabytes of RAM. I don't know how that is. Graustreib. What should I do more? What should I do more? You would be lucky if your PC gets made by. Alright, so And then just fixing one of the problems took me ages. I submitted the final design with zero DRC errors. There are still warnings, plenty of warnings, at 5 in the morning. So it took me another, I don't know, 8 hours to fix every issue with this board. And I'm not sure if it will work. It will be a miracle if everything works. Same with those things, because they're also so tiny. HyperPC? Yeah. But I would need to recompile the kernel to be able to display 250 DRC rule violations. I switch to Linux. I promise, pinky promise, I will switch to Linux as soon everyone else who uses spaces in code switches to tabs. I promise. At least tabs in front of the code. After the code to like format comments or whatever, I don't care. You can do whatever you like there. Go to heck. Yeah, trigger warning. Yeah, anyways, this board is ordered and it's in production. Let's check what's the status. We have like 2 days. And nice terrain. I would just recompile everything. No tabs. Yeah, the problem is some dickhead that invented YAML, thought only to make spaces valid, because tabs are not valid in YAML. So it will never happen that I switch to. I'm sorry. Okay. What? Yeah, I mean, why did the dickheads who made YAML forbid using tabs? This is terrible. Spaces are inconsistent. Yeah, you can't even use. You need always to. You are forced to use monospace. You know what would be nice? Just to trigger people switching IDE to Arial. Oh. Yeah, anyways, people unsubscribe and unfollow now. Wait, here, where is my order? Where? Oh, it's already. It doesn't say when it will be ready. Oh, I would dox myself. Here. Everything on first line, yes. It's similar. It's similar, peeps. Okay, so I can expect them to be shipped at 23rd. So I have like 1 week to to assemble it, fix it, and whatnot. This is unfortunately the issue with Easter holidays. I placed the order. I think I placed it at JLC as well. Let's see who will be, but I didn't pay express or whatever. Let me check. This is a race. It's an unfair race because Chinese people probably not celebrating Easter holidays. But I ordered only a few hours later. It's also in production. I wanted a black version as well, so that's why. View progress, data finished, oh wait, that's the stencil. Here. They did the drilling, copper deposition. Oh, there is a lot. I did a mistake. I ordered like hustle finish. Oh, my poor connectors. What? What are you talking about? Copper drum. Yeah, they're producing. Yeah, lots of steps. And where is it? When is it expected to be done? I don't know. Oh, black. Oh. And this is the one like that I ordered before. So this is what I did after the stream, I think last week. When was the order placed? View order details. Let's see. Uh-oh. I hope I don't dox myself. Oh, shipping address. Okay, here we go. Order submitted 14th. Okay, maybe it was weekend. Yeah, it was Sunday. Okay. I submitted this order on Sunday, and I will show you one big inconsistent step. Wait. Do you say step with P or step with B? Many consistent small steps are better than a single big step. Someone just followed. Thank you. I didn't see the name. The contrast was so bad. I'm sorry. If you say something, if you reveal yourself, I will give you a greeting, a personal greeting. Here we go. Another thing that let me load the other project that I did on Sunday. The problem with this project is they are not programmed, and I have no way of accessing a single MCU. Hey Jeff, thank you for the sub. Where is it? To be able to program it, I made this project here. So this is the first thing that I ordered on Sunday. It accesses only one card, so it can only accommodate one card, but it's able to power every single MCU on that card individually, at least from the ground side. So I hope we don't have like leakage current or whatever that turns on all the MCUs, because then I won't be able to program it. And then you have like the programming pins and whatnot are exposed. The programming pins, they are, I think, he's not in space. What am I? What's going on? What did I? Okay, so basically, where is it? Where's the programming pin? Here, no. PB9, I think, no. Yeah. Okay, there are some jumpers involved. I don't know what I thought. It took me like the complete Sunday to design this board again. And that's basically, I'm able to program each individual. I have even a button. There will be a button. Where's the button? Yeah, a function button. Oh, I didn't even show the other PCB. Let me show this one first, and then we will view the other one. So this isn't as cramped because it doesn't need to fit inside of the M.2 footprint, whatever. It's a bigger thing, and it's also 4 layers. I think so. Yeah. It is 4 layers because it's a lot of IOs. I exposed the one row, so once we program that, we can run one supercluster and have the IOs that are exposed. We can use them as analog, like 16 parallel ADCs or whatever. And this is powered over USB or connected over USB. So let me show that in a 3D viewer. So this is a very exclusive inside of the project. Yeah, ignore the connectors. I just... Oh, yeah. Spaces and tabs is just... It's just a meme here. No. So, Graustreif. This is a misconception because the reset pin of it's just a soft reset. It's not powering down the MCU. You can even turn it on in the fuses. It's just a configuration, and the issue is if you try to program no matter what, like if you want to program with the Linky, it might even just power cycle and ignore the reset. You can use the reset as a default, and the reset is also shared across like the 16 pins that I want to use on a bus. The issue with the 003 MCU is you have a 0 and a 1, which are reserved for oscillators, external crystals, oscillators, whatever, and I use only the internal RPLL. So I have that as the 2 IOs, and then you have PB and PC, I think, are the 2 registers, 8-bit registers and IOs, and on those you have like somewhere in the B1, I think, or is it D1? C and D. D1 is the programming pin, the IO programming pin. Then you have the clocks. I don't know. It's like it's scattered all over the place, and I wouldn't be able to write like in parallel or whatever if I want like to use the reset. And the reset on this MCU is completely useless. You can it's just ignored or whatever. It's TTS. We have a song on TTS right now. Yeah, basically using the reset isn't I put it on there. You can see it here. So the first time we might be able to use it like the first programming and then turn it off for good. And power cycling is the smartest way. So we can just turn off the MCU. I hope it works with the ground and that we don't have like leaking in some current over GPIOs or whatever, over some pull-ups. So that's what I hope, at least. And then we would be able like to cycle through, since we can turn off the power of each individual MCU. So I hope with this low side drivers, and then we can either use the button or whatever to cycle through the individual MCUs and program them individually. I think I will use like USB and serial over USB to send a command to switch to the next MCU and then trigger like use a script to program. Can we get chat control using YAML? I will deactivate spaces. Can only use tabs and yeah, anyways, this is the programmer, and we can have like, we can probably use one card there and play around and do whatever with that. So this is how that looks like. Has some serious power, and I even put some bigger caps on there. So yeah, this is one thing that I changed for the new cards, having more power. This is 3.3 volts, 5 volts, because from the USB we get 5 volts. 3.3 volts, we don't need 1.8 volts, but on the other project, let me close that. We have it here. Cluster, no. Oh no. I will show you the other card. It's not, it actually, it doesn't fulfill. Or have an SMTH, like a bootloader that can. What is SMTH? You mean like pre-programmed MCUs or what? I would love that. I don't know what how. Oh, something. Yeah, but you need like to program the MCUs before they're on the board. Yeah, it can actually. We can reprogram. Using the bus, we can reprogram it later. But the first programming is the crucial one. So at some point, I might be able like to order a reel of MCUs that are pre-programmed, send them over to manufacturer, and make like the cards, the cluster cards. If this becomes a thing, I don't know. Probably not. That's true. Yeah, I wanted to show you how the card looks like. So there is one issue with this card though, with the base for the mega cluster M.2 cluster. It even has like a label up there. This is how it looks like. Yeah, unfortunately, it's like the connectors are, the conformity isn't given, because here the pins are reaching too close to the edge, so this might not fit all the connectors. That should be clear. Here the pins are, so this isn't conform. Oh yeah, yeah, the board ends here, so this is, ignore that. And on the back side, this is the issue. You have like 1 millimeter, so this, oh yeah, this is my new 1.8 volts LDO, which is slightly bigger to be able to handle the power of this thing. And yeah, these two are basically too high. I think these are like 2 or 3 millimeters high. So either we shave them off, but they will fit this mini PC. I saw there is nothing beneath that. The issue with these designs here is you have 1 millimeter, because there could be posts on the back side. There could be posts to handle shorter NVMEs, and so that might just rest on a post. That's bad, but yeah, this is how I made it for now. I don't know. I might just, I could just put there like little SOT 23 things, MOSFETs, N-channel MOSFETs instead, because I could just put them everywhere. Cut out and dead bug cutouts. Oh, we can just shave off. We will try. We just putting it in the CNC and shaving off some of the top. Decap it. or use some acids or whatever to remove the plastic. Yeah, look at here. It even has an access. I even labeled, look at that. I even put a reset pin here. Because this one supports reset. Yeah, I had to remove. Double deck, and that's what is a double deck, and that's a slot. Oh yes, yeah, probably, yeah. There is one thing that I wanted to. Okay, so now you're up to date. Those will be assembled by hand. What I'm worried though, because you can't get all the parts. Especially I can't get these connectors here. I hope they will arrive in time. Okay, I have 10, but I don't have 11. I need one for the programmers, one from the programmer, and one for the... If you look at the pins of this thing here, they are pin pitch 0.5 millimeters, and a majority of the pins are underneath the plastic. So if you look from the top, now, if you look at that, how do I solder that? If I solder like the first one, that's alright. I can access it with a soldering iron and get rid of all the solder bridges. But then, the second connector, how do I get here? In between? That's like a millimeter or something. How big is that spacing here? How do I solder that? Hot air? Melting the... Yeah, that will be a challenge. Maybe you will witness it next week on Wednesday. If they arrive in time, I will be assembling by then, and then we will try the first time running that. Strange. Alright, so basically we can measure the distance of the connectors. Let's check. A lot of strange routing here. At some point there are like traces going like back and forth because there was no space whatsoever here. Low temp solder, yes, I ordered 138 degrees solder, I think. I'm discussing, hey, Mylind 1504. What does this stand for? Is this like a SMT component size? Yeah, let's look at this. Wait, is this right? Looks like the first... Is this gap bigger than the other gaps? Because we have like plenty of space, unlike here. Oh, wait a second. Oh no! They're not equidistant here. What the I might have shifted one by accident. Okay, they look all the same. But this one here is shifted. Oh no, there is no space whatsoever. What is this? I think I have like a 0.2 millimeters of the pads are exposed. How do I solder that? Damn. Let me measure it. Stop the presses. No, yeah, there is. How do I look at the measurements here? I want to measure. Where's the measurement tool? I can't see the measurement tool. Yeah, we can see it here. Wait, let me check. We are y is 108.32. 1 millimeter spacing between between. Oh, it was your Myland. It was your birthday yesterday. Happy birthday. Superfluous. Yeah, more space. Yeah, there are these are basically extra pins. We don't need them. They're not even on the connector. Abandoned little pink track. What? What do you see? Oh, here. No, this is the back silk screen here of this ground. The cap or something. Ah, yes, yeah, yeah. Look at the DRC rules. That fits. The edge connector fits both B and M keys. So it's depending on your PC, which is supported. Both are supported by this card because I think B and key both have PCI Express, at least one lane. I think M key has more PCI Express lanes or something. That's why. Okay, here, look at that. Connected, only violations, only warnings. Errors are gone. Only warnings. You're right. You're right. We can reflow them. There are what errors? Yeah, there are errors because of that here. That's just the indicator for where the tabs go for this board. These tabs are not so nice here, so close to the hole. But anyways, this will be alright. I bet this will break out, like this will be torn. What? What did I miss? Yeah, I have two paste even if I would use like the same paste, the surface tension would probably keep the connectors on there. So I don't know what to solder first. Either the connectors, yeah, connectors are better because this side can be completely soldered by hand. This one is obnoxious with 0.4 millimeter pin pitch, but these here are all easy peasy. This one is I cheated for that one. I'll show you how you cheat. Questionable decisions. Look at the ground pad. It's it shrank a little bit. I shrank it a little. I didn't need it in the end. I mean, all that wiring. I mean, it's still like there's. It will still reflow, yes. Yes, 69. Yeah, the pad, the fun pad. Yeah, this is the only thing that will be hard to we need to reflow this pad. After this one is reflowed, then we can do everything else. I mean, this one I will probably do using hot air solder. Hot air reflow. but then I need a higher temp on the backside. Maybe I ordered two different temps. The problem, yeah, the problem with the connectors on the other side, I really don't want to use 240 degrees because they will melt. Maybe I will get another paste. I found a paste like 138 degrees. I used 160 so far. So maybe I will use for that 160 degrees and for the other one 138. Yeah, I know. I mean, the pins will probably transfer. Look at the density of the pins here. They will probably like, this is like almost a continuous metal here, 50% metal coverage. So they will transfer the heat certainly to the connectors. And I don't trust myself as much that I stay below 300 degrees because I think that should be nylon or AB. It isn't ABS. It should be nylon or something. So it will hold up probably until 290 or whatever, and then starting to disintegrate. And these are so precision. This is like so precision work with 0.5 millimeter pin pitch. We can't melt them. If they melt, it will basically destroy everything. Short other pins and whatnot. Really don't want to do that. Anyways, this was the state of what I did. Like we talked, oh wow, I talked for an hour just showing you what is to be expected. And here, these little things, I'm so baffled. I never expected, like, when did I start my channel? 11 years ago? I mean, I did like the ASIC stuff as well, so that's smaller structures. But I would never expect myself to making like computer components that you plug in an actual PC and would be able like to do anything. It's not meaningful, but look at the size. This is 21 millimeters square, more or less, plus connector. This is amazing. Hot air from above. Yeah, I found a strange. I never saw that before. I will show you what I ordered off eBay because I forgot. I really wanted to pay. I had placed an order at Reichelt, but I have to pay €6 every shipping to Reichelt because I wanted to get new paste there. And I went to eBay and found actually there are like you can get free shipping from Germany, different reworking soda pastes. Here you go. This is what I bought. This is like, oh, you can see, wait, 138 degrees, which is quite low. I mean, I'm running, like, my LDO is running quite hot. So that might be, like, on the verge of losing the components. It will desolder. It's like a fuse. If it gets hotter than 138 degrees, the LDO will desolder and drop to the bottom, to the main board. Maybe I need to put, like, I don't know, Captain Tape on top of that. Schmelz, yeah. Schmelzpunkt. Spezielles Lötzinn für Smartphone-Reparaturen. Bleifrei. Schmelzpunkt 138 Grad Celsius. Lieferumfang 50 Gramm PPD Lötpaste. Okay, so, and they have like different ones as well. You can get any other 183. That one looks good. Maybe I will use that one for the connectors then. So I will 4 days because that will come on basically on Saturday maybe. So I will just order that one as well. So we have 2 different values. And there's the 160 as well. Oh, this one is closed. I hope it's not dry. But you can get also syringes. So I hope like the syringes are better closed. And if not, I will get from Reichelt, I will get them quickly. So Reichelt has a lot of soda paste. Let me check. I bet with you that the serial chip will cause it to overheat, not the MCUs on there. So, no, this thermal compound. Small dog, welcome. That's thermal paste. Thermal. Oh, really? But the shipping is like, Mon, the shipping is ridiculous. Do we can check Mauser and then try getting shipping. Yeah, Deutschland. Is it, yeah, change location, Lötpaste, soda, oh no, I think it's neue Produkte, Lötmittel. Okay, let's say we want to buy $25. What? Okay, let's sort by price. Okay, $13. That chip quick. Yeah, I have like, I tossed it away. No, I didn't. Here, chip quick. It's completely dry. This is like a solid block of bismuth. Yeah, I tried to order. It's completely dried up. I even put like the plastic bag on. This is like, look at that. This is like completely stiff. This is gone. And you can't revive that. I tried. You can't even solder with that. I think that this is water-based. Fridge. Oh, I hate it. I just gave up. I don't trust myself. I'm a slob. I would just leave it outside when I'm rushing stuff again. So I just like the syringes because you can close them easily, and then I don't know. Chip quick. If you buy that, let's buy this one here. Okay, let's buy one. Kaufen. Okay, let's go. Deutschland. Here, FedEx. What? Oh, you can see. $20 shipping. Okay, what else do we have? Either $40, no. UPS. Okay. Rechnungsempfänger. So I don't know. This is even like yeah, it's just not worth it. And I if I order that, let's say, all right, I will soldering. Let me just check. Why is it in English? Switched again. I think because I'm using .com, an. All right. Lötzinn, Lötpaste. What was this? soldering tin. Maybe it's in here. I hope it's there as well. Or was there? Let me switch the language. Here we go. CR11. This, oh, $23. What? Oh, they got expensive. What's going on? Why is it so expensive? Let me get the category. This is like Flussmittel Lötpasten. Okay, here we go. That's just a tip. I thought I bought it like cheaper than that. It's strange. What's going on? Or I didn't pay attention. I ordered there. Because that's like a premium price here. Huh? Nope. So certainly buying from eBay now. They don't have CR11, $23. All right, okay. I mean, yeah, and shipping was 5. It's 10 grams bismuth. This is the one that I would usually use. If I order in English, no. We probably get some tariffs on top of that then. No. Yeah, anyways, yeah, I better try like different and get free shipping for $10 here, even though it's diluted or whatever. Yeah, this is 183. Then you can get, I think I saw some, yeah, here. BGA, but which temperature is it? We can check that. Yeah, oh, look at that. Look at this. This is what I want. Like one-time use. Squeeze that out, $2 and be done. And then I don't have like to deal with drying paste anymore. I just buy a stack. How often do I assemble boards? It's not that often. So if I buy like 10 pieces of those, I have like 10 projects covered. It seems wasteful because, okay, but it's 10 grams. So not that's only 8 grams. What? If you buy it like this, but this is also like quite high temperature. That's 250 degrees C. Yeah, we also need to check that it's shipped from Germany, so Artikelstandort here. Like that. Oh, this is not a big can, by the way. But still 50 grams is a lot for. It's strange. Why is it so cheap? It was probably dated. I sorted out because it's too old now. I mean, if it's broken, I will just try getting my money back. Oh, that's why. That's cool. Look at that. Are those different types? Bleihaltig. Oh, that's with lead. No bridging. Extra that. Anyways, wasting time here. We wanted to code something. Mix it yourself, kid. What? Oh, really? All right. Anyways, this is this. We are trying to play around. Is it working? Can you send stuff? Wait. I mean, you can probably chat. Or wait. Is the server running? Yes, server should be running. Okay, this one's working. What I wanted to do today is real-time streaming, but no, please don't stream odd stuff. Oh, here we go, Looney. Yes. Oh no, it's mirrored. Why is it mirrored though? Didn't you use the draw tool? You can copy the image string. It just saved it from last time, yeah. So this one works. How many bytes are we able to do? Because we can send maybe matrix animation. Oh yeah, how do we do that? I want GitHub pages. Oh, someone sent a heart. Hi. Oh hi, Dodge. GitHub pages. How do you set this up? Project side. How do I? Tree main web, you can use it already. Yeah, no, you can't use it. Okay, maybe we can do it. Come on, give me the repo here. M.2 matrix. I think, I don't know. It is transmitted like that, so we have it transmitted like that. That might be. Yeah, it's the you can send the full resolution on Twitch. YouTube is too restricted. What we can do is, if you want to send black and white, because this is now 4 color shades, if you want to send black and white, we could do an animation which is like 3 frames long or something. If you like to, we can set up like an animation thing. But I would rather want to be able, like, we set up an Node.js server on my main website server, and then do a WebSocket server there. So I don't know. Sleeping dog animation from Undertale. Okay. Hey, small dog, by the way. First time. Oh, nice. Let me check that. Sleeping dog animation. By who? By Undertale. Undertale. Okay, let's check that. This one here? Oh. Yeah. Okay, this one will fit. I don't know. It's probably not 12 pixels high. Okay, we can check. Okay, well, where is it? There's more. Oh. Stupid ads. I hate that. Settings pages. Okay, let me check that. I lost it. Where is it? Okay, here. Settings. Pages. Start free for 30 days. No, that's Enterprise. GitHub Enterprise. What? Branch. Deploy from a branch. GitHub Actions. How does it do? Oh, Smoldak, thank you for the sub. How do we deploy that? Oh, yeah. Main. Save it. Not root. Dogs? It's not dogs. Oh, let me switch that so we don't have that covered. Okay, save it. Okay, let's see. Maybe it shows up here somewhere. Is there pages? Do I really need to type the URL? Oh, deployments queued, okay. .404 index HTML, okay. So let's add a new file here. Where is it? No. I think I closed the window. Oh yeah, here it is. Damn. Wait a second. Is this like a sub now, or did I place it in a different folder? I'm confused. Let me check. I think it must be somewhere on Google Drive, Risk V, but how did I check it? How did I upload this on, publish it on draw tool website? It works. Oh yeah, that works. Yeah. You know what? Let's create a new file. And then what is it? Web draw tool WebSocket, no, HTML. Autocomplete even in that. Okay, commit changes. Yeah, that needs to deploy still. Let's go. We need to wait. Will it automatically deploy? In 2 minutes, okay. It tries to deploy right now. It will have a landing page there. So bitluni GitHub.io M.2 matrix will. Yeah, no, it's an action here. It's running. As soon as you commit, it will try like to do. I'm wondering if it's a manual review or something for conformity. AI checks if everything is alright with that. This is the worst HTML code ever. It's just one line. Yeah, it is actually not draw tool. Here we go. Okay, so peeps, go to bitluni GitHub.io M2 matrix, and then you will get the draw tool, and then you can blah blah copy the image string and paste it in the chat. Where's my chat? With exclamation mark matrix and then paste, and then remove the characters that are too much and send it, and then it will show up on the matrix like that. And we don't want those extra steps. We want to be able to use it directly from this tool. So I will set up a server. I hope I have Node JS on my server. Let me check. What's the command? Oh yeah, it's matrix, like that, and then space, matrix space, and then all the hex code. Maybe I should put it in like. Maybe I should add the add it to the text, but I don't want to change it because Node.js. Okay, so what? How doesn't it work? Paste. Like that? Okay, that worked. Jody was able to do it. Does it block you, Sonic? Maybe you need some admin rights for that. This is the issues that I want to resolve here. Wait. This is the issues. Oh, come on. I have more. Wait. And stream manager. Oh, someone farted. What was, how do I make you mod? Mod Sonic, here we go, you're a mod now, Sonic. I don't know if it was blocked or whatever. Here you go. people are spent. Now it works. Okay, great. So maybe I should do a backup of my server first before I get apt-get Node.js, or how do you say? What's the apt-get install? I would ask, okay. Oh, npm. Oh yes, I think I have npm already. Let me test it. Nope. Yeah, we are root already. Okay, npm. Yes. Yeah, here we go. Node.js and npm, it's installed. Or it's... Check it's working. Yeah, no version, an npm version. Set up your project. I don't know why it's in German. Set up a WebSocket server. Make tier. Okay. What? Oh. Small dog. I don't know. You need to behave though, because you are a new person. I will give you. I'm so sorry. I don't know why. It's. How do I give you more rights here? You subbed here. You should have moderator, but please don't do. Okay, here we go. Evil Knievel stuff. Let me try, yeah. It will appear in 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, there's matrix missing. Overcooked, undercooked. Yeah, that's too much, dude. WebSocket server, but do I want it in my root home? I don't want to. Don't want it to the root home. Ah, there is your sleeping dog. Nice. Okay. Okay, let's go. And then what is it? Okay, M2 matrix server. I need a better editing tool though. I don't want to use that. Right. Eh? Oh. Oh, yeah. Goodbye, small dog. Where are you from? It's so late. You're going to work, or do you have a night shift? Oh, that's a grayscale. You can't even tell that. This is like. This is like. Look at that. Oh, you can see. Grayscale. Yeah, you can't tell because the contrast is bad, and something's wrong here. Here. Looks odd, like an overflow or something. Oh, probably power issues or something. That's strange. It's strange. The grayscale doesn't work properly if you have like the on one column. It seems like there is an overflow or something. Must be. Yeah, maybe. You deploy nodes from, yeah, wait. Node.js. Okay, I will use webmain. Sorry about that, because then we can just paste the code. Okay. All right. Nope. Old project never happened. Where is it? Node.js here. Matrix server. Whoop. Edit file. New file. What is this? JS. And now let's paste stuff. Wait, why is this? Huh? No, oh, that's just designated code in JS. All right. Wait, wrong. Client disconnect. Make the server accept connections set connections each client is able to send a string. I don't know. Oh, sorry. String of how many characters? What is this? This is 12 by 20. Yeah. Oops. 12 by 20. How many characters is that? That's 240 plus 1 with this S, huh? Okay, we have no security whatsoever, like a limit for DDoS or whatever. Yet, damn it, that's a vulnerability to kill my server though. Here we go. 20 frames per second maximum. We can do 30, okay? 30. This is quadratic. People will be spamming. Damn it. All right. Is that all? What? Wait. It receives for each client. It doesn't need to store anything. That's actually it. To host it securely, HTTPS. I don't know if it even will work remotely. Like from storage, matrix server. Oh, the JS. That's maybe rename it. Oh, it is named server. Okay. Node. Okay, it's listening. Now we need to change our tool though. Is this cross-site scripting if we... Okay, you know what? Wait, we can run it from here as well. It should be able to connect. Bitluni.net, but 8080. Oh, really? Cross-site Oh, that's interesting. Wait, no, it's so strange. Okay, 8080. Okay. Nope. Insecure. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's not available over WebSocket secure server. Let's try with, because I have wildcard certificate that might be sufficient. Wait, wrong. Oh no. Unsecured. Yeah, I just don't want to mess around with my certificates, but I might. Let's check. Where do I have it? Let's. Where is it? Where is it though? Let's encrypt. Where are the certificates from Let's Encrypt? Because then we can do etc. Let's encrypt, but it's not storing their keys. Not showing anything. Damn it. Okay, I will take this window away for a moment. Oh, come on. That's the wrong. Where did it? Does anyone know where Let's Encrypt puts? I mean, I can check my Apache server. Don't like to overshare stuff, especially things that are exposed to the internet. So wait, does it need like key and certificate? I'll show you my configuration file. So we have certainly full chain plus private key. It's probably those files. Key file and certificate file. Yeah, we can use that. That will work. A little bit anxious about that. Don't want to spoil anything. Okay. Let me get that. Oh. Node.js. Well, I like that we run Node.js now. We can do all sorts of stuff now. Edit. Oh damn it, I didn't copy my location of the file. Proxy module. What is that, Mon? We get that. Yeah, let's try this. I will try to run it from, and then let's see if it will be able to connect to actual. Where is it? etc. Be right there with you. Just need to. All right. Oops. Did I copy too much? Sorry. I'm not able to show everything, but I think this is all right. Okay. Server will be running. I'm anxious to spoil my keys. Okay, server's running on 8443. We can try that and see what happens here. 8443. Okay, connect to WebSocket. It's connected. It's connected. It's able to receive. Oh, wow. But we're not able to send yet. This seems like a rather neat project. If you feel comfortable answering what are the major building blocks for the hardware, briefly looked at Wikipedia and it didn't show. What Wikipedia? I don't have Wikipedia for that. Okay, so basically there is the building blocks I can show you. We'll load the KiKit project. So that's not the KiKit project, but I will open the KiKit project. If you're interested, I did that. I hope to finish the video by this weekend. Functional outline of M.2. I don't know, maybe, but what I did is I do like oddity projects, and this one here, I don't know if you know my channel, my YouTube channel. I wanted to use M.2 has basically different keys and is able to provide different things like USB and PCI Express and stuff like that. Yeah, I will remove the matrix overlay here. So that's basically a part of the M.2 connector. The M.2 M key supplies several PCI Express lines, also the B key. That's why this supports B and M. That has like just 2 notches. So basically all the slots for SSD hard drives, like this one here. And this is not an SSD hard drive, but it fits. It has like 2 notches on this side. It fits like the 2 styles of SSDs that are available for M.2, but it's only like 8 centimeters. So there's like the the form factor is nice. And I was curious to build something the first time that uses PCI Express, and PCI Express is obviously like way harder than whatever I could do with microcontrollers. So I picked a chip, the CH382, which is an PCI Express to serial or parallel chip. So you can have like old parallel port accessible from this as well, and 2 serial lines. And I took serial because you can access it from the browser over web serial. So this is basically the M.2 connector provides me PCI Express access, which I use like one of the PCI Express lanes connecting to the serial chip, and this serial chip communicates with another MCU, which is the WCA. Ooh! Ah! Your nice Colombian dollars here. Thank you very much. No tariffs. Thank you very much. That's the 5th super in the live stream. Wow. Okay. Pesos. Yeah. Colombian pesos. I wish I could keep them and go to Colombia and buy some coca leaves. Anyway, so this is the MCU. That's the CH32V208 because it has a lot of pins, and we can program. We figured out how to program it over serial, and we can program the MCU, and the MCU has basically a stupid matrix, which, yeah, it's just a demo project. And with this demo project, we are able to access it from the browser now. And oh, Johnny, thank you. Pink LED font is so. If you go to bitluni.github.io/M2 matrix, you will be able to grab, like, draw something, copy the code, exclamation and matrix in the chat, and then paste the. But that's all we did so far. And now I'm trying to run the WebSocket server that we just connected successfully. Yes, I can share the link here. It will be, though it's dated now, because we will be able, wait, the link, where is it? Yeah, GitHub. Oh yeah, we can just copy that here. Here are the links. You can draw and then just copy image string and then use exclamation mark, matrix, space, and then paste the string into the chat, and it should draw whatever. Like, I copy that image, wait, clear it. I just draw something. Okay, the matrix overlay is annoying up there. So I just draw matrix, that's an X, matrix, exclamation mark, boop, copy image string, and then I will write matrix and space and paste that, and it will show on the device. All right, but we are connected now to the WebSocket server, and I need to update that. Yeah, update that. Add a button to send the image string to the WebSocket server as well. Okay, let's add this. But how, why? Do I edit it in place? Somehow lost the draw tool WebSocket. Okay. I will add this here. Send to WebSocket. Wait, where's, and copy that. We will skip the complete thing and send it directly from the drawing tool, because wait, what disconnect WebSocket and V. This is why spaces. Painful. Okay, here. Let data as okay, data plus blah blah blah. Send to WebSocket. All right. Should I do it? Let's commit. Oh wait. Wait, this is... How did we do it last time? It seems like this is like a different folder or something. Draw tool, WebSocket. I need to copy the file though. Where did I open? Oh, I can see it. M.web draw. So strange. That's an update. Huh? What the f... Strange. I didn't commit this though. Did I add all the files? Because I don't want to upload the whole project. I only want to update. Wait, this is add update you stage changes. Okay. Damn it. So complicated. Push. How do I push there? Not publish. Fetch. Okay, I need to fetch the changes because we have like an HTML file. But this is not what I... How do I push? What did we do last time? This is so strange. Remote. Oh, let's... Fuck. This is the wrong thing. I don't know what I did. Why is it... Did I use a new... Did I copy the code or what? Yeah, but it doesn't look like it's the same repository though. It has like, what is this? 6 days ago. Okay, one file changed. Open on GitHub. Why do I... There is a remote. What does that mean? I'm so confused. I'm a linear thinker. Where did it open? I don't even know where it opened. Okay, I can tell. Oh no. Dashboard. You can't. Yeah, it's so strange. I don't know how. It seems like I have a repository initialized here, and it seems like it knows what it did. What? Good night, Jody. How do I... Okay. Stage it. Can't push remote. Okay, cancel. Now. Pull. Yeah. Okay, this is... Wait, publish brand. No, what? Why is this? Source control. Why is it so hard? Main. Okay. How do I synchronize? I don't know. This is like the graph of all the things. Okay, so push pull. There is no tracking information for the current branch. Okay, thank you very much. I don't want to commit that. Remote. Pull from. Okay, we got it to this state. Merge. Is it merged now? Do we have the file? Index.html. Okay, we got it. Now, push. It's, you know what the issue is? That we added the remote afterwards. We should have initialized it directly. Yeah, we need to push now. Push to. All right, I think it might be updated. Yes, 7 minutes ago. Okay, it shows now. Oh, Grauschreif, good night. Okay, we will need to wait for the deployment, but then once it's merged, we'll be having the matrix working. Then we can open this. This will be, I just close that version and then go bitluni .github.io M2 matrix. I think we need to wait for it though, because it's not up to date yet. Oh wait, this isn't it anyways. Where is it? Here. Waiting in 2 minutes. In 1 minute. In 1 minute you can see it shows here. In 1 minute it will be deployed. Auto deploy, and then we can access it from everywhere. I need to kill the server though before we end the stream, because otherwise that will be used to exchange wares. Okay, is it updated? What? 1 minute. I hope it works though. Nobody knows. Merge, okay. In 40 seconds. 38 seconds. 38 seconds. 30 seconds. Countdown's running. We'll extend the tool. I love this matrix. Now. It says now. Is it done? It says now, but I don't know what it means with now. Now it's deployed. Okay. So go to the draw tool. Okay. Now I need to connect to that. Okay, so I will paste. Oh no, this is the, oh no, wait, here, draw tool. This is what I save. Connect to WebSocket server. Let's test if that works. Oh yeah, select serial port. Send frame. Okay, frame, this works. Is it connected to WebSocket server? I hope so. And I connect from this tool. Connect to WebSocket. Wait. Yes! Yes, it works! You can directly send. You just need to connect to WebSocket to this server. Here. And then you're able to send directly. Send to WebSocket. Yeah! Alright, alright, alright. What does it mean? So, ops, dops. I will change the some things. Oh, does it? Yes, it does. It works. Now you can have fun without copying any strings over Node-RED. Moin? Is it moin? A smiley face. Oh, this is so cool. This server is spamming everyone who connects to it. It's so cool because look at this. It's synchronizing to both servers. Look, this is the remote computer. Everyone gets it. It's very slow. Yes, yes. So you need to be drawing fast. So if you want, that might not be a good idea. Okay. Auto send to WebSocket every few seconds. Oh no. Live broadcast mode. That is cool. Import image from string input. That's what? ChatGPT, what is going on? The suggestions are crazy. Never. Live broadcast. Import from string. It would be so cool if we can update, like we all draw the same thing. Oh yeah. This is so cool. Okay. Add a checkbox to activate if you want to receive the remote image from the server. Make it enabled by default. Also set also use as default server string in the input field if there was no saved before. Okay. All right. Oh wow, final touch. Okay, I will add the changes. Let me move that tool over here. This is the draw tool. Import label receive. A rocket, yes, as it's a rocket. Oh, yeah. Copy IP input P. Hey, Lothar. Wait. Oh, no, wait. This is the ROM. Let me check that IP input. Oh yeah. Use default, okay. That's oh. Okay. Update the script. Okay, this is IP input. Modify socket copy. Okay. Socket on message logic. On message block. It's fully written by ChatGPT now. Phew. What is this crap? Spaces. What happens if there are spaces? Okay. Fixed. Okay, draw tool. Let's push it. Stage that. So receive checkbox and push. Okay, now let's see. People are drawing tic-tac-toeing. Who plays tic-tac-toe? Not Chrome? Why not though? What is Chrome? Press F12. F12 and so someone's playing tic-tac-toe. This is funny. Someone's playing tic-tac-toe here. We have some crosses and some circles. Oh, this is invalid. Is it? No. Draw game. This is so cool. Okay. Let's see. A new version is deploying soon, so you won't be overwritten. Active in 2 minutes. We have a new deploy. New drawing tool that will have some extra stuff. Syntax error. Oh no! I should have checked it. Oh no! It's my fault. 81. Yeah, ship it. Ship it broken. Come on, where is it? Don't update. Don't update the page. Oh, come on, where is it? Oh, really? Oopsie, commit. Okay. How do I push it though? I need. All right. Still. Oh, you have different shades of. Oh, that's interesting. You even use like different shades here, apparently. Come on. I changed it. Come on. How do I push? Come on, push. Huh? No more rockets? Yeah, enough of rockets, peeps. I won't show anything. If you're not behaving, I won't be showing rockets. Childish behavior. Here we go. Receive remote image. It's deployed. Now you can connect to WebSocket server and not receive the image. Send to WebSocket. Here we go. And this one, oh, select serial port, sorry. This one will be receiving stuff. Sorry. Okay. This one is receiving. Someone sent a thing so I can test if that receives or not. Yes, all right, that works. So okay, that's cool. This is on the remote. It receives a remote image. And this one doesn't receive a remote image. Okay, I can just close that and move the matrix display. Cool, okay. So clear, and now you can draw in peace without it being overdriven. Like different shades of. I ray trace a sphere. Here, real-time ray tracing. Why is it mirrored? Huh? Is it mirrored? Is it upside down? No. Let's do here we go. the shading. Now everyone can keep their images. Why someone's sending something new? Maybe this should be longer. Like that. This will be here. Bloop. That's a dark shade, at least on the screen. Send WebSocket. Bloop. Oh! Oh, I missed it. Sorry. What was ship it? Left and right. Nice, nice. Oh, wait. You need to remove the checkbox. Here. You need to reload. The latest change has... So the latest change has received remote image. You need to remove that checkbox. I'm so sorry. This is the latest version. Do not lose your image. Ship it. Ah, sneaky, yes. I need to send to WebSocket here. Shippable, yes. Peeps, what do? We are done now. We have like a nice, neat WebSocket server. Someone's clearing, sending empty A. Cool. Someone's sending me a message. A. Ah! A ball. Another ball. Oh, there is a hater who clears the screen. Oh, someone cloned my message. We can see how the server's working. Oh no, oh no. Cool. You're good at cloning. Yeah. I will draw my logo now. Wait. You can, by the way, use your right mouse button as well. Here we go. What is this? It's my... Oh! Please. If you want to... Oh, there's a... Oh, this is one. This is a nice one. Who sends this? Please stop. That's why we can't have nice things. Okay. Here, there's the B. You can write from Bash now. What does that mean? Do you have like a means we can, I mean, I don't know. You can just take the code from GitHub and change the client according to your needs to be able to stream live or whatever. We could do that. No. No ad. Oh, a small heart. Nice. People are exploiting. Thankfully, this is only a low resolution. What? Oh, what? I can't read that fast. What does it say? Oh, this is my server's going hot now. This is finally utilizing some of my server bandwidth here. Sorry. Ah, that is cool. Logging IP. Oh, the cat is nice. What is this? Me chat. Hi chat. Oh, that's a hi. Hi chat. Oh, this is so much better without like having to paste any strings into the chat. Do we go full? Or we can just show it as well here. Yeah, this is so cool. Like the chat server. I can use the chat server for everything right now. I will turn off the filtering and we will be able people would be able to exploit stuff. We can do some filtering, hardcore filtering somewhere else. Hi, oh hi, live interactions here. It's not even behind the paywall. Oh, that's cute! A small ghost. That's a cool one. I recording the best entries I will show in the video. So peeps, do your best. I'm recording the screen capture, and the best entries will be shown on. It's Caspar, yeah. But no, Caspar is drinking tea and brushing teeth afterwards. This is so cool. The whole PC. Oh, it's cleared. It's broken. It died. Tamagotchi emulator streamer. Someone sent something. The ghost. Send the ghost. Uh-oh, it reboot. Oh, that's... Huh? Oh, it's sending something. Who? What is this? Why someone sending this lol? I sent a frame too. Here. Send to WebSocket. Boom. Is it crashing? No. Ah! This is a duck. No, a ghost. A duck. Oh, this is cool. People are sending stuff. Qbert. I don't know. Tell me. Tell me what it is. people sending stuff. Let me draw something else. Oh, we have a heart, a ghost with the heart. Okay, I draw something too. It's a copy. Some evil person received it, and then just lurking for a good image, 2 hearts, lurking for a good image, copying it and just adding signature. We have copyrights. Oh, different shades. That's cool. Nice. I will draw something that no one thought of. But I don't think it will fit. Someone tell me if you recognize. Oh, that's the bitluni logo. Here we go. Oh. Oh, I might need to add something to the back. Here. The running dino, yeah, the T-Rex game. But usually it's bigger. We can make a game. I would totally love to have an animation on that, like running dino and jumping over cacti. Oh, we need more space. What? What? From Bash? Back right? Now you need... I write from Bash. Someone sent animations. Oh, this is amazing. I got it. I caught it on camera. Oh, you 30 frames a second. You made it even work with the limitation. Rickroll when? What was that? Oh no! Someone. Wait. You need to more. Okay. I want to see the image that was just before the scroller. So. We will add some quota. Oh, little hearts. Nice. Oh, Batman. That's cool. I will add the cacti. No worries. We caught everything on camera. Here's the dino with the cacti. The cacti, oh here, that's too long. The one arm is too long. And what else do we have? Like in the background there is small hills. Here. You can barely see it. Like this one. All right. This is something for the Shippu. The Shippu, you're drawing things. Kick ban, IP logging. Yeah, we could, but I need like an admin tool with. This is a snake. You're too sick. Oh, get well soon, Dishipu. A hat! That's a cowboy hat. Or a really malformed rocket. Bezos rocket. Oh, it's a frog. It looks like a cowboy hat to me. Alright, alright. I need to receive it. Wait, I would... Oh, you're scrolling it backwards. Left to right. No, it's wrong way around. Scroll. That's right to left. Wrong direction. Morn. I really love it that you actually took it on you to make a bash script for that. It's right. Oh, here we go. Scroll, you fixed it. Left to right. This is cool. Oh, this is amazing, people. This is streaming directly to the M.2 slot of this mini PC. Oh, it's a small copy. Nice. Oh, that's cool. I love it. I love it. Bye, peeps. Oh, what? You're logging off. And who's Peps? I post it on Discord. All right, cool. Thank you very much, Morn, for the script. Soon. All right. Yeah. Now we need to stream. Oh yeah, a Space Invader. That one was missing. We need something like a shade over that. That looks like it needs some, yeah, to be darkened a little bit. It needs to be shaded a little bit, like with dark tape. Oh wait, I can put some electric tape on over it. Hot glue? Nah, that will bleed. Oh, that's a creeper face. That's cool. I can't stop recording because it's so cool to have this stuff on there. I will just put some tape on top of it, if I can ever find one. Where's my electric tape? Oh, I have blue tape here. Blue electric tape. How does it look with... Oh, this is so hot. Oh, a bouncing skull? What? That needs to be a DVD logo. Make a DVD logo bounce. Is this DVD? This looks like a skull. This is cool. Live streaming to my Matrix. This is like connecting people in another way. Ah, I bounced it. Oh, some more hearts. Nice. Improved with a frame. That's so cool. Here we go. Zoom in. Pink hearts. Oh, wow. Well, I really love it that the majority of the people use it like in a good way. Oh, what is this? A dancing? I can't recognize it, sorry.
Maybe I missed that meme. DVD. It's obviously a little it's not hitting the right border though. Uh-oh. You can make it smaller. I mean DVD. And this is so amazing that it runs like that fluidly. Do it DVD logo. Okay, I will clear the Dino here. So for those who were here, send frame to WebSocket. It just arrived remotely there. Clear, and then let's do. I think we can do D V D. This is the logo size that you should be using. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's another Pokemon or something. Someone recognize that? Oh, the gamma correction needs to be way harder. It's like lit is just lit. Oh, this is a fish. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let me send the DVD quickly. Boop. DVD. Now this logo needs to bounce. I'm getting hungry now. Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock. Peeps, this is amazing. I love it. Thank you very much for send me last entries. I accept last entries. If you like, we can. I mean, we will have some fun maybe next time. Oh, Easter. We have Easter holidays, and I wish you happy Easter holidays. Maybe I draw a bunny to you. Oh, hi with a heart. So how do I draw a bunny? How do I draw a bunny? Someone draw an Easter bunny or just a rabbit. Blu-ray. DVD and Blu-ray. DVD is bouncing. No, Blu-ray. Who wins? I'm using HDR Blu-rays. So like ultra. What is this? 4K high bit. Hello, whoever it is. Okay, I draw a rabbit. This is a rabbit. It looked like a dog. Maybe. Oh, what is this face? Roger Rabbit. What is this? Is this the skyscraper with the connection in between? Twin Towers? No. Bunny ears, yes. Oh yeah, bunny ears. Okay. Nice. Okay, peeps. I wish you, if you'll celebrate it, a fish. Oh, nice. That's cool. That fishy looks cool. Pixelated. Good night, everyone. We will play around. So, you have all the data you need. Oh, that must be Anna. It looks like Anna. Is it scrolling slowly? Easter Bunny. What is this? Oh! Okay, peeps. You know how to encode the images. You have all the information you need. It's public. It's all in the GitHub. You have the time to play around until next time. Make a live streaming whatever tool. And happy spring equinox. Yeah. Wait. Okay, I wait. More. You're writing the DVD. You're not given up. Okay, more. We wait. This is so cool. Why am I so tired? Maybe because I designing PCBs for ages. Yeah. Oh, it's snakes. More. Are you playing live? Oh, Windows updates. Oh no. More is playing live. It's not you. Someone else is playing snakes. This is so cool. Someone playing Snake live and using my matrix as a display. Foo, is it you? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, wow. Oh, that one plays alone. And AI snakes. Whoa! Whoa! It's faster now! Real time! Oh, that's cool! Oh, slow again? Oh, too many people logged on. You can watch live in your browser how that plays. Oh, wow. You can have port to expected Maker's logo to it. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's my server is totally, you know, the complexity is quadratic. Once like everyone is sending 30 frames per second, the server tries to resend it to everyone else. You stopped? Okay. More. How long do we need to wait? What are you trying? Yes, peeps. Bye everyone. Bye. That's cool. Morn. Device needs to restart for updates. Bye. Okay, Morn. You can do all the stuff. We will try it again. If it didn't break till next time, you can write do make Dune run. Morn. If you can make Dune run like until tomorrow, whatever, we can still try like on Discord, okay? Just poke me on Discord. I will put it in the video because I'm editing until Friday, so I'll be able to. Oh, you want to raid? Okay, who do we raid? Just poke me if you have it running. I will record it and put it on in the video. If you can make Doom run, that would be cool. All right, let's Twitch. Oh no. Okay. And on Friday? Can you make it till Friday? I mean, it's not. We can like run a screen capture, but in this resolution, black and white screen capture will be hard.
Oh, Wagon you can use ChatGPT. Just throw the code. So you have the code. It's on GitHub. Throw it into ChatGPT and tell, I want to Doom. Yeah. Okay. This is the logo of Doom is already running. Mockup. Yeah. You can drop the code, give it to ChatGPT, and tell it do X and Y to extend it, and then you will be able to do whatever with that. So that will totally work fine. All right, who do I rate? Rate channel. Let me check. Who do we have? That's cool. That's actually really cool, isn't it? So who do we Ascians? The quest must be completed. I think we will try Ascians today. 350 viewers. Start rate and do it. Some retro computing for you, peeps. So, by everyone, C64 sprites. You get some inspiration on Ascians, so the Twitch viewers, lurkers, going there, and I see you next Wednesday. If you have implemented something really cool until Friday, I might put it in a video, so poke me in that case on Discord. Bye bye everyone! Here we go. Bye bye!